So we're going to start with one of my favorite brands. We're going to go for Ouai Hair Care. This is the dry shampoo. My hairdresser, I will tag him in this video, he used dry shampoo once on my hair to add volume, and I absolutely love this trick. So we're going to do this with the Ouai Dry Shampoo. Next up, what I wanted to do is, I knew I was filming the video outside. I tried doing it in here, but I actually wanted to go for some natural light. So because of how humid it was, I wanted to add some frizz control. So I love this product. This is by R&Co. This is the foil and static spray. So what I do is I just spray it all over, and then my hair was literally good to go for the entire day. Here we go. That was all I did for my hair when I made my video. So I washed it, I let it air dry, dry shampoo, frizz control, and here we are. So this is the final look of what I recorded for my audition tape. I hope you guys love it and try it out. Send me some comments, send me some messages, let me know if you want more info on any of these products that I used. Thanks for watching, guys. Mwah.